Okay, go ahead and start feeding the pancake. Tear it up. Break it. Give it to him in his hand. Got your hand.
Oh, tasting it. Ouch, I think tasting that. Oh. This is that funny.
It's all good? That's it?
Oh, he, yeah, he is it.
Of course he's eating it. He's hungry.
He can't put out his mouth with,
Okay, Birch, we don't have any more bread. Sorry.
sorry, man. It's got it.
You think that